So it's 504 grams of Pinless chips. They have the crystals on them, so I don't know what I'm going to have to do with that. I felt like running it through AP to get the foils, and then hydrochloric acid with some bleach. But we'll see how that goes. So this is a chip that had been run through AP previously, and you can see that the Pinless chips, they're pretty much gone. It leaves that crystal there, so I'm golden, and that's it. This is one that's been run through, like I said previously. Does a pretty good job. So we're just going to stick to the plan. We're going to put the chip in here, and then put the acid peroxide in here. So we're going to cover this with some hydrochloric acid. Lid on that, and we're going to use some AP to prime it. So that's my AP setup. There's 500 grams of chips in there. We're going to use this to attack the base metals and loosen those foils up, and then decant the solution off. The foils will be on the bottom here. Hopefully we'll probably have to make a strainer type device that allows foils to go through but retains the chips, and then wash and then run through the bleach and hydrochloric acid, and we'll drop with SMB and then clean them up. But that's my acid peroxide. This is going outside. It produces fumes, and you know, we're gonna look at it every couple of days and see how it goes. But that's AP, copper etchant. You know, you don't need to add peroxide. Just put the hydrochloric acid in and some copper in the bubbler, and it'll do all the work. And we'll get back to it. It'll probably be a little greener, hopefully, but that's it. So here we are outside my AP container. It's a 55-gallon bucket. That's where I usually run the chips through, is this blue one. There's a white bucket that I use for the overflow, and I decided to put the funnel in that to help keep any splashing down, and hopefully it just falls back in. We'll see how it works, but I'm gonna put the lid on it, start the bubbler up, and we're gonna call it a night. It's probably gonna work a little slow because it's cold outside, but that's starting to accumulate some more foils. It's like 45, 50 degrees today. It's pretty cold. Last night it was about 27 degrees. So, you know, it's not working as fast as it would when it's warmer, but it's getting there. Well, I added a little bit more hydrochloric acid to the Copper Ii Chloride solution, and we're going to check on it tomorrow, back in its little container, and it's going to get tucked away. So we'll be buttoning this up, putting the little funnel on, put the lid on, let it rest tonight.